going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're actually on the way to Dynasty Automotive here in Orlando to get an alignment done. As I mentioned in the previous videos, my steering wheel alignment right now kind of sits to the right a little more than I want. Obviously, I want it to be dead straight at the 12 o'clock position. I would say right now it's at the 12:03 position. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is. Welcome back to the channel. But yeah, I really want to get this steering wheel situated because it really made having the carbon wheel, like, it just took out all the fun in it. It made it less enjoyable because my alignment wasn't straight. So I definitely want to get this situated before I order another wheel, and I want it to be dead straight. I'm gonna ask them to sit in the car today, but I will let you guys know what they say. But yeah, I've been trying to get this sorted out for a while now, as you guys know. Hopefully Dynasty can take care of it today. Fingers crossed. If this is your guys' first time watching, my name's Viet. Welcome to my channel. I invite you to subscribe for future car content, BMW content, DIYs, as well as doing just a bunch of car related things. The last time we were at Dynasty, we were actually getting the 4S's mounted to the competition wheels. Those were short-lived, obviously, but I can't wait to get some 4S's back. But yeah, I personally have not had any bad encounters or things happen at Dynasty. But we'll see today. Hopefully everything goes well. Like I said in the previous video, my friend Jonathan with the Tanzanite Blue M4, they actually messed up his wheel the last time he was there. I don't know if I think it was like a machine's fault. It wasn't even a person's fault, but yeah, fingers crossed. Luckily we are going to a wheel repair person after this is done. But obviously I'm not trying to pay for wheel repair. I'm only trying to pay for what I'm going for today, which is a clear coat. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, pulling up to Dynasty right now. I know they have a steep incline, so I'm gonna pull in without recording. All right, we are at Dynasty Auto. Got the F80 right here. I just talked to the guy who does the alignment as well as the owner's wife, and I told him my situation. He said, that's strange, but we'll try to get it sorted out today. So yeah, he's about to pull in the F80 in a little bit, but it is a glorious day to do car stuff. And then after this, we are actually dropping the car off to Olympus wheel repair, which is actually kind of like down the road a little bit. And we are going to be dropping the car off hopefully for only like a week to get the HRE sandblasted and clear coated. The reason why I'm doing that is this raw finish on the front right here is such a pain in the buttocks to keep clean. If this was clear coated, I think it would be so much easier to maintain. And I just like the clear coat finish, similar to the outer lip. I know my wheel's a little dirty right now, but if it was clear coated just like the outer lip, it would be so much easier to clean. And then I think we might just keep the inner barrel raw, but I will give you guys an update once we get there. Definitely take you guys along for the ride, see what he suggests and see what other options we have. I am currently contemplating right now if I want to do the dark clear, the clear, or if I just want to go back to my roots and get them powder coated in black. But we'll see. I got time to decide. Not much time, but oh man, I do miss the blacked out look, but black wheels are so hard to keep clean. But what do you guys think? Could you guys picture it? Let me know if you guys miss the blacked out F30. I definitely do. Got a beautiful Subi on some gold wheels. Who knows, maybe I should just go gold later today. Gold on black would be hard as fuck. Options are limitless, yo. Sheesh. LCIs look so good, even in the sunlight. Car sounds so good with that one valve open, one valve plugged. I don't know if I told you guys, but I actually unplugged the right valve and left the left valve plugged in, and it sounds super good. It's like the best of both worlds, neighbor friendly and loud as fuck at the same time. Alright, so he's going for a test drive to see what I'm talking about. Hopefully he comes back and tells me that he can see it. So weird seeing your car drive off, but hey, it sounds good. Dynasty stays building some super clean cars. Beautiful Subi. I need a stud conversion. That's what I'm gonna order once I know when my wheels are gonna get done. I'm gonna be ordering a stud conversion soon. Nice little classic here. But yeah, they got some cool cars, all types of cars. They do all types of work, so there we go. Dynasty Automotive. All right, F80 is pulled up onto the rack. he went for a test drive around the corner and did say he notices how the steering wheel is cockeyed to the right as well. But he also said that I could sit in the car while the alignment's getting done and hold the wheel straight. So super cool, super chill guy. He's like, yo, clean car, boy. I'm like, yes, sir. Hey, grab yourself a cup of coffee. This guy's super cool, by the way. He's you know, just telling me all the specifications and facts about alignment, asking me if I want any specific adjustments, but I'm about to sit in the car very soon. Get you a shop that lets you sit in the car while you're getting alignment done. This is exactly what I wanted, so shout out to Dynasty for being cool with it and letting that happen. But yeah, just waiting for him to give me the word, and then I'm going to be holding the wheel to what I think is straight and not let, you know, like a crossbar tell me otherwise. So yeah, hopefully this fixes everything. All right, we are back on the ground now, and I was able to hold the steering wheel straight while he'd made some adjustments, so hopefully that did the trick. And then hopefully he'll let me go for like a little test drive, or he'll go for a test drive and test it out. Nice little 4 Series on some bronze wheels pulled up. Clean. My boy's back on the ground. Let's go. Love to see her come, hate to see her leave. Hey, so we just left Dynasty, and from first initial drive, the steering wheel is way straighter. Holy shit. I should have done this a long time ago, sat in the car. Super happy about that. Shout out to the tech there. My gas light's on, that's why you hear a warning. But shout out to the tech there for letting me sit in the car, for educating me on certain things, and just being cool about me just, you know, filming, talking to him. He was a fellow car guy as well, but shout out to him for helping me out. I'm going for my initial drive right now, and from this initial drive, I mean, it just feels so much straighter. It's hard to tell sometimes with Orlando roads because the roads kind of curve to the right or left. But again, shout out to the tech at Dynasty Automotive. I'm going to drive a little more right now on the way to the wheel place, and then I'll let you guys know my final thoughts and tell you guys if it's actually straight or not. So far so good. So after initial driving, I just went to go fill up, get some gas. So after that cruise to the gas station and back, I've come to the conclusion that the steering wheel is now tilted to the left a little bit. So I'm gonna go back and ask them to make one final quick revision. I don't see why not. I don't see why they would have a problem with that. I want it to sit like that, super straight, but right now it sits like a little to the left. So I think one more small revision should be able to make it go straight, so we'll see. All right, so he just went for a cruise. I told him that it's pulling to the left a little bit now, so hopefully he sees that. And then yeah, we'll just make some quick adjustments and be out of here. Back in the car, I just held the steering wheel while he did some more adjustments. He said my right rear, something happened, and that probably will cause the steering wheel alignment to go off. So yeah, we're gonna go for another test drive and hopefully it's fixed. All right, round 2, here we go. All right, fingers crossed. Hopefully it's straight. We'll find out when he comes back though. But yeah, he's super cool, super helpful. Shout out to this guy, shout out to this tech for helping out. Yo, shout out to my boy Dimitri. He was like, yo, let's settle this right now and let's go for a drive together. Super happy we did that because now we both gave the stamp of approval that the steering wheel is aligned. It feels super good. It's actually like the straightest I think it's ever been since I got the car. If you guys can see, I mean, it is straight as an arrow. But yeah, thank God we got that sorted out. Great customer service at Dynasty. Now we're on the way to drop the car off and get the wheels clear coated. Let's freaking go though. Shout out to Dynasty, for real. I can't believe it. Like, we actually got it dialed in. Usually I get an alignment. The tech will go for a drive and tell me that it's straight when it's actually not straight at all. So Super happy with this turnout. Let's go. I've been driving for a couple minutes now and the steering wheel is literally straight as an arrow. Shout out to Dynasty. I am super happy. This is something that's been bothering me for almost 2 years since I got the car, and it's finally fixed. I mean, I can't believe it's taken this long to finally fix this alignment issue, but super stoked, as you guys can see by the excitement. But that's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. I am on the way to Olympics wheel repair right now, but I will pick up the camera and continue a new vlog there. So stay tuned for that video. You guys are not gonna wanna miss out. I still haven't decided what color or clear choice I'm going with, so you guys will just have to wait and stay tuned and see on Instagram. But anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe for future content, and we'll see you on the next one. Shout out to Dynasty again. I'll leave their information in the description below. But anyway guys, take care, peace.